Python, return values from a function. I have this config file. This function return items, values from section test of config file, but when I call the function only return first item, 1, value 1. I call the getItems available with this function. I guess that I should create a list on getItems available function and return the list for read the values on test function, true? Any suggestions? Thanks.
Use a list comprehension. Change. Two. And concerning your test function.
Use a generator function and get the items like this.
이웃으로 지목되겠습니다.